guys, welcome back to my channel for another cleaning video. Today I'm going to be cleaning and undecorating, taking down my fall decor, just prepping my house and getting the space ready when it's time to decorate for Christmas. I was motivated to go ahead and get started doing it, so that's why I'm doing it. We normally decorate mid-November and this year is not going to be an exception. I also wanted to let you guys know that today's video is in collaboration with Lynn White. She's one of my favorite YouTubers as of recently. She does cleaning, decor, mom style videos. If you like my channel, you will definitely like her channel. She's also going to be doing some cleaning and undecorating with you guys today, so you're getting double the motivation. If you're wanting to take your fall decor down, make sure you head over to her channel after you watch my video. I will have her video and her channel linked down below in the description box. And if you're coming over from Lynn's channel, then hi, my name's Anna. Thank you guys so much for coming over. In this video, I'm just going to be tackling the rooms and the areas that have my fall decor. I usually only decorate heavily in the kitchen, the living room, and the entryway, just because for obvious reasons they are the most populated. When people come over, they walk past the entryway, and a lot of the time we are just hanging out in the living room and the kitchen. So that's where I like to have most of my decorations. So those are the rooms that I'll be cleaning today and removing the decor from. Cleaning with the fall acorn spice scent only because there's no Christmas scents out that I'm aware of. Will you guys let me know down below what your favorite Christmas cleaning scents are? It doesn't necessarily have to be Mrs. Meyer's. I'm open to trying other products, so just let me know what your favorite scents are and what brand they are, because I'd love to try some new things. At this moment, my mom decided to FaceTime and she asked what I was doing, so I kind of showed her a little insight into the world of filming yourself while cleaning. Believe me, she thinks it is the strangest thing that people watch other people clean, but I told her she really should start because seriously, it may sound weird to others, but it is so motivating. are coming over from Lynn's channel and you are new and you made it this far, congratulations. I wanted to introduce myself. My name's Anna. I have a 10-year-old daughter, 5-year-old daughter, and I also have 9-month-old twins, which is why my living room looks like a mini daycare. So I definitely have a smaller space living room, which was fine before we had the twins, but now I have to kind of plan my decor around having baby stuff out. So Christmas will be very interesting because this is the first year we've had them home for Christmas. And definitely I'm gonna have to work my way around a small space with a lot of decorations.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Do you hear that sound? Can you feel the music? Let's get wild. We're magic, you and I. They call us reckless, but we don't mind. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Yeah, we got the summer forever.
I'm definitely thinking of maybe putting a little bench here and taking this table away. I'm not really sure what I want to do. If you have any ideas that come to mind, let me know in the comments down below because I'm really wanting to change it. I just feel it's so bland and it doesn't really fit with the rest of my house.
Only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. It might be over tomorrow, but this day will live on forever. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Live on forever.
So now what you're seeing is my previously clean living room back to being a little bit of a mess now. The twins woke up from a nap and I spent time with them, obviously fed them, changed them. They were playing, I got busy, and now I am back to my cleaning video. So I'm just picking up the mess that was caused, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start moving a few things around just to make room for my Christmas tree when I decorate next week. I just wanna have everything primed and ready to go. now that everything looks bare, that's going to be all for this cleaning video. I hate when decor goes down because everything just looks so empty. But I'll be seeing you guys here soon in my next video. Look forward to the cleaning and decorating for Christmas coming up soon, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!